Hi folks, Tom Convicker with you here on a Thursday evening, and we got a lot to get to, but it won't take too long to do that. It's pretty straightforward. 91 and 71, your statistics there from our Sinlock Broadcasting Tower cam on Texas Street. If we look across Alexandria, see a mostly sunny sky there. That 91-71 combo makes it feel like probably about 96 or so, maybe 97. We had some heat indices for a while today at 100 or higher in some locations. So the heat is on once again. Summer is still with us. Toledo Bend, 92 degrees. You still traffic moving toward the camera there. And it is mostly sunny up in that direction. Just a few very small cumulus clouds in the distance. And Stellies in LeBeau, same reading, 92 degrees. I promise I checked it and it was the same. Mostly sunny skies in that direction. Also, remember that's a restaurant and market. So get you something good to eat when you go now that way. Radar showing no echoes here, no rain here in central Louisiana. High pressure ridge, same thing that is in control of things in the middle of the summer in July and August, and the heat is on. So a little bit weaker this high pressure ridge, but temperatures are certainly above normal for today. In the wintertime, these high pressure cells and ridges are in control of things. It's unseasonably warm, so you kind of get the difference. It is a seasonal thing, impact type thing. All right, satellite and radar still showing some low pressure off the east coast of the United States. You see a twist up in southern Canada there. There's weather systems up there. There's going to be a big trough work down to the west. You saw a little rotation in that area. So winter is trying to come on, a winter type pattern with a deep bubble of cool air is trying to come on in that particular area. The leading edge of that is this front, which isn't making too much progress in our direction. It gets underneath that ridge, and that ridge with a sinking motion kind of kills that front off, weakens it. Let's go into your futurecast here locally for your forecast in the morning. It's back to work and school. Could be some locations get a little patchy fog. Otherwise, we'll see a partly cloudy sky, I would say, but right now, no rain chances in the morning. In fact, I'm zeroing out rain chances again for the day tomorrow, Friday, 5 p.m. And afterwards, as we get ready for the football games, it'll be pretty warm, as we'll be around 90 degrees in many locations at that particular time. A little bit of humidity with it as well. Saturday mid-morning, you're out shopping. We've got your 10 a.m. forecast there, and things are looking dry and heating up. It's going to be a hot weekend ahead. And Saturday p.m., keeping rain chances out of the forecast all through your weekend. Tropical interest areas, there's a couple. We got a 30% chance of tropical cyclone development there with this system. This is the remnant of former tropical storm Gordon. There's a 20% area here in the Atlantic. And then heading westbound, we've got a 40%. This chance is up over the next 7 days, and I think this will be mostly toward the middle of next week. They would see, first of all, our eyes will be in the northwestern Caribbean to see if anything develops there. And then that area will kind of wander northwest or northwest into the southern Gulf of Mexico. And as it does, we'll really start piquing our interest there as that 40% comes to fruition. And I would look for this weekend and early next week to see those chances come up from what I've seen. Checking out your 7-day forecast in a hot day tomorrow, 95 for an average. That means we'll get about 92 to 98 here in Sinlock. And yes, the summer is not over yet. Saturday, 91 to 97, averaging 94 degrees, and then a 90 to 96 on Sunday, averaging 93. And so, yeah, those temperatures well above the norm. We should be in the upper 80s for highs and upper 60s for lows. We're pretty close to that in the morning, though. No rain chances for this weekend. Heading into Monday, still zeroing out rain chances. Still hot, 92 degrees, 91 for Tuesday. I'm putting in 10% there, and then 20% for Wednesday and Thursday. Got a little front with a question mark in the Wednesday, Thursday time frame. Weather Prediction Center is kind of bringing that through, so I'll put that in. I'm not really sure I see exactly where it's going to come from, but I'll put it in. And then our attention, first of all, turns to the Caribbean, say in the Tuesday, Wednesday time frame, and then maybe into the Gulf as we get after Wednesday of next week, just in case something happens across the southern part of the Gulf during that time frame. Nick and I will keep you informed. In fact, I think he's going to be out for a couple of days, but I'll be with you tomorrow, certainly in the PM, and bring you an update about this time tomorrow. So take care and have a fine Friday.